Please read the disclaimer. Tomorrow could change everything for XRP and the crypto market. Hello, beautiful people. Shalom, moneymakers. We don't got no time today, so let's get straight into it. We started off the day with the news that initial jobless claims data was out, actual 208, forecast 213, previous 199. And when the job losses continued, we're having less jobless claims. So the market reacted, selling off a little bit. That was very interesting. XRP dropped all the way down to $2.06. Right now, at $2.13 here for XRP. We did go under the 1348 EMA here, the 48 EMA on the 4-hour chart. But on the daily chart, we did get the buy signal, and you can see here it dropped all the way down to the crossover and bounced back. So it'll be very interesting to see what happens tomorrow. You'll understand in just a few minutes what's happening tomorrow and why that could potentially be affecting not just XRP, but the whole crypto market. First, XRP spot pair goes live on Hyperliquid. Flare has officially listed FXRP for spot trading on Hyperliquid. This marks the first XRP spot trading pair ever available on the platform. So another way where XRP and XRP liquidity can be used. So that is a very interesting headline there. AWS and Ripple to work on XRPL upgrade. Amazon Web Services and Ripple are reportedly exploring Amazon Bedrock AI for the XRP ledger. With this integration, XRPL system logs could be analyzed in 2 to 3 minutes, down from days. This could be a huge upgrade for XRPL. One of the maybe stones in the wheel, or the stick in the wheel, is the fact that it takes days to analyze system logs. So if you have a possibility to do it in 2 to 3 minutes, this could be a big game changer for XRPL. It could make it a lot more faster, scalable, and so this could potentially be something very good for XRP. Now, this is an interesting story, thinking about could this potentially happen to XRP in the future. We've talked about Zcash in the past, and it dropped nearly 20% in 4 hours after their core development team resigned. There was a big fight there between the team. It has kind of recovered, interestingly. You can see it dropped to 380, back up to 426. But I was thinking about, could this possibly happen, something like this with Ripple, where maybe there's some fighting or maybe like that. Listen, you always have to take into consideration that things like this can happen, that teams can have fights and that people can leave. I always give you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And this is, a case of not the best thing in a project. And hopefully we don't see that going forward in XRP, but you need to know that this is a possibility. Now, I want to remind you that everything we talk about in this video is for educational purposes and entertainment purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest. Something that could potentially rock the market, there's a few things. One thing could be interesting. Right now, the situation in Iran is getting more complicated. According to reports, the internet is down, communication is down. We'll see what happens there. The US has been saying that they might join the party there. So that could create some geopolitical tension and could potentially drop the markets. Also, there's the possibility that the Iranian government, we talked about this in previous videos, maybe they're doing shenanigans with the crypto that they own. Maybe they'll be shorting the market. So that's a possibility as well. But the big thing that is happening tomorrow is the fact that the Supreme Court is about to make its decision on Trump's tariffs. And currently, there's a 76 probability that Trump's tariffs would be ruled illegal. If the Supreme Court rules against the tariffs, there are 2 big issues. So the first thing is refunds. Of course, tariffs already collected may have been returned to importers. That removes cash from the system and worsens the government finance. Second, the deficit. The tariffs are projected to reduce the U.S. deficit by $3 trillion over the next decade. If ruling goes against them, that reduction disappears. A ruling against Trump does not mean tariffs are permanently banned. It only blocks the current legal structure behind being used. The president still has other legal tools to impose tariffs, but they are slower, more limited, and less efficient than current setup. This creates near-term uncertainty. Trump has reportedly argued that tariffs are supporting economic strength and stock market performance. If the court rules against the tariffs, that will be that will be affected badly. Over time, removing tariffs would reduce government revenue, ease inflation pressure, and increase the likelihood of rate cuts. It's kind of a double-edged sword here, but it could be one of the reasons why we're seeing XRP and the crypto market sell off a little bit over the past few days. Interestingly, the S market, right, is very close to all-time high. So it doesn't seem that that is freaking out, but the stock market or the crypto market, it seems, has seen some sell-offs here, potentially going into what's happening tomorrow. And yesterday we did have January 7th, we had our first red outflow day on the XRP ETFs. US spot XRP ETFs posted their first net outflow, ending the 36-day streak. So it makes sense, seeing the big red candle there yesterday. Although we've had red candles before, so it's interesting that this was the first day that we had outflows. It could be that there was more money coming in, so there's also some money coming out from that run up, taking a little profits after a 4 or 5 day run up. Remember, a lot of traders that are buying XRP ETFs, if their asset goes up, 20%, they are very, very happy because they might be a little bit more used maybe to the stock market and not to crypto, right? So that might be, a profit-taking zone for them. So again, we have to take that into consideration. There's a possibility that would happen. Okay, then we'll see a pullback. So far, the candle has recovered a little bit on the day, so it will be very interesting to see going into tomorrow. And the uncertainty, remember, uncertainty creates sell-offs. When there's uncertainty, when we don't know exactly what's going to happen, we don't know what the outcome is going to be, especially around tariffs, where we've seen that the tariffs have created a lot of turmoil in the crypto market, of course, October 10th with the China tariffs. And even before that, back in April and March and February. So this is something that we need to take into consideration tomorrow and put on our radar, okay? And that we talked about already. Interestingly, Trump said that he decided on the Fed chair. President Donald Trump told the New York Times that he already made up his mind on the next Fed chair, but has not discussed the decision with anyone yet. So interesting, who is he going to choose to be the next Fed chairman? And how is that Fed chairman going to approach rate cuts? If they are very aggressive with rate cuts, then that could be, of course, positive for high-risk markets. And crypto is, of course, a high-risk market. And so that could potentially be beneficial for the crypto market. But this could, it could take 6 months or a year until we get the new Fed chairman in. But of course, if he announces the new Fed chairman and the new Fed chairman already says, when I come into office, I'm going to do this, that, and that. So we could have a potential run there. So we'll see how the markets play out. It's going to be very, very interesting to say the least. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description down below. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time.